Hi everyone, I know we've been talking about plants and what they need to grow. Today I wanted to show you how to put the steps of growing a plant in order. So let's try to do it together. I'm going to hit play. Alright, so this is what happens first, second, third, and fourth. So first, when you're planting a plant, you need a pot. That's right. So I'm going to put the pot in under number 1. All right. Next, when let's see if we're right. We are right. Next, we need some dirt for our plant. Dirt up here.
The second step is to get some dirt.
Yes, we get some dirt and we put it in the pot. Next, we want to take our plant, or you could say seed, and we're going to put it here, the third spot.
The third step is to put the plant in the dirt.
Yes, the third step is to put the plant in the dirt. The last step we want to do is what's happening in this picture. The plant is getting watered, right? Let's put it up here.
The fourth step is to water the plant.
All right, so if you're planting a plant, first you need a pot, then you need some dirt, and then you plant the plant, and then you water the plant. Awesome. Next, now that we know the steps in order, let's do another activity. We're going to plant a garden. Let's make it bigger. So this is a garden outside. Some gardens look like this. And we have some vegetables, just like in our book, The Vegetable Soup. We have a potato, we have lettuce, we have a tomato, a carrot, and a pepper. All right, so I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to pick the one that is red. Which vegetable is red? Right, the tomato. Let's see.
Plant 5 tomatoes.
Plant 5 tomatoes. All right, let's try that.
Plant 5 tomatoes.
All right, we go down here and get our tomatoes. 1.
Tomato.
2.
Tomato.
3.
Tomato.
4.
Tomato.
What comes next? 5.
Tomato.
Did we do 5 tomatoes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, we sure did. Now, let's pick carrots.
Plant 4 carrots.
All right, let's plant 4 carrots. 1.
Carrot.
2.
Carrot.
3.
Carrot.
4.
Carrot.
All right, did we do that right? We did plant 4 carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tomatoes and 1, 2, 3, 4 carrots, let's pick something else. Let's pick the potatoes.
Plant 6 potatoes.
How many?
Plant 6 potatoes.
6. Okay. Let's count. 1.
Potato.
2.
Potato.
3. Oops.
Potato.
4.
Potato.
5.
Potato.
6.
Potato. Plant 6 potatoes.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, wow, we did it. Let's pick one more vegetable. Let's pick the lettuce.
Plant 3 heads of lettuce.
All right, let's pick or plant 3 lettuce.
Lettuce.
1, 2,
Lettuce.
and 3.
lettuce,
What if I said, how many carrots and how many carrots do we have? We would go up here and we would count 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. How many vegetables in all do we have? Let's count all the vegetables. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 vegetables in all. Great job, you guys. So we put the plant in order, the sequencing. We know how to plant. I'm going to do it on Friday too with you guys. And then we planted our own vegetable garden, just like in the story, Vegetable Soup. I hope you like that activity. I'll see you later. Bye.